Hi, Java has 43 functional interfaces. They are predefined. They belong to the API java.util.function. These functional interfaces are categorized into four. They are suppliers, consumers, predicates, and functions. In this video, we will see about predicates. Okay, so we declare a variable of type predicates. Predicate integer is e1. This is the variable. Now we need to import this predicate. Let us do that now. So now we can assign a lambda expression to this variable e1. So this predicate has a method, abstract method test, and predicate takes a thing and it will the test method test the logic and it will return either true or false. Okay. So now let us uh, assign a lambda expression to this int I, or you can simply even int is also not required. Simply you can have I and use the lambda operator. Then what we are going to do is this lambda expression and the lambda body actually check whether this value is even or not by using this I modulus operator and 2, that is I modulus operator 2, and the remainder will be we are checking the remainder whether the remainder is equal to 0. So this is how we uh, we have written the lambda expression, and what we do is we will call the method using this variable is1 dot test. Okay, and we will pass the value any number 4, and we will this method will return either true or false. Okay, so what happens when this line number at line number 11, that line get executed. So when it get executed, there will be a class will be created, and that class implements the predicate, the functional interface predicate, and it implements the test method using the lambda body. Okay, and a object instance is created. That object instance is assigned to this variable is1. So we can use this is1 to call the method, test method. Okay, so now what we do, we store this value inside a boolean variable. The test method will return either true or false. Now we can print it. System dot out dot println, print like the number is even. This is how we have printed. Okay, now let us run this code and see the output. Run as Java application. So it prints the number is even true. Now we will pass the another number 5. In this case, what will be the output? Obviously, it will be the number is even false. Okay, so this is how we can use predicate to test any logic. Okay, so the test method will be implemented using the lambda expression, and it will return either true or false.